Hey guys, figured I'd post another video or a new video I haven't posted in a long time. So just wanted to give you guys an update of some of the work I've done to the Jeep since the last build video. We've had a couple new things added and just kind of enjoying it, getting it ready for the summertime here. Looking forward to some trail riding and some short trips. As you can see, we've got some new fenders, some new custom fenders that Leon, my homie, made for me. One a good friend of mine. He put a lot of work into these, but they turned out really sweet. They're removable rear fenders, so they come out about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, I'd say. And the tire still kind of, has a nice stance. We also had custom front fenders made too. Today I just put on a water seal inside there to protect water from getting into the engine bay, because these do have a sort of arch to them. Check those bad boys out. Those are also custom. It's my homie Leon. Once again, he built these for me, fabricated these from his shop. So you can see those fenders there. We also had some new latches put on. So if you guys are in the market for latches, these are pretty awesome. These are really sweet. Alright, the last thing we had added on was a trailer hitch. So you can see right under the Motobilt stretch there, we had a trailer hitch. I put in a cross member. So we welded in, another cross member. You can sort of see it there. You can see there's a lot of rust underneath there I gotta take care of, but it's an old Jeep. You can now carry some canoes or a jet ski or a quad or dirt bike. Who knows? That'll probably be another toy, but for another day, but I've got the capability now. And that's really what Jeeping was about, is having something that's capable and being able to do things that you might not be able to do with your car. We also added some light pods here. These got damaged, cutting down some trees. They're controlled inside by the switch. Still working on the interior. Oh yeah, got a rear view mirror. See my switches down there for locker, air locker, and some other things. Little lights. We got front lights too. You can see those. All right. So guys, you can see not too much. I mean, to me it seemed like a lot of work, but to you guys it's probably just 1-2 small upgrades. You can kind of see in the corner on the left there, see that red Jeep? That's my other YJ that I just bought, and that's gonna be, I don't know, either up for sale or I might fix it up and get it on the road, and I don't know, I'll have 2 of them. Well, stay tuned, because I'm gonna have a new video hopefully for the next couple weeks on new headlights that I got. You guys are gonna be pretty psyched about these new headlights, because I don't think there's anybody or many folks who have these on their YJs. And they're gonna be really sharp and really make the Jeep kind of come into the 21st century. Alright guys, stay tuned for that video.